Hi there, so let's talk about how to use the Microsoft Dataverse with Power BI. Microsoft Dataverse allows you to connect directly to your data using the Power BI desktop to create reports and publish them to the Power BI. From the Power BI reports can be used in the dashboards, it could be shared to the users and accessed across the cross-platform on the Power BI mobile applications. To connect the Power BI with the Dataverse, you can go to Get Data. In this, we have got the option of Dataverse. It is a part of the Microsoft Power Platform. You will need to get your environment domain by going to the Power Applications and then select the environment that you're going to connect to. Once you have got the environment detail, you will need to paste in the URL in the environment domain. And then you have got the two data connection options. One is you can go with the import. The import option is recommended. With this mode, the data is cached in the Power BI service and imported on a scheduled interval. You do have an option of direct query as well. This connects directly to the data in the Dataverse. You can use this model for real-time data retrieval. This mode can also more strictly enforce the Dataverse security model. So that's how you can use the Dataverse with the Microsoft Power BI.